Like, share, comment, subscribe. Subscribe, like, comment, share.
Hi guys, welcome to the channel. In today's video I'm making teriyaki fried noodles or whatever you want to call it. So I'm using pork chops because I don't want to use chicken. And yes guys, follow the video. Don't forget to like, comment and subscribe. And here's all the ingredients. We have got pork chops in here, so I'm just taking out of the package and I'm gonna chop it up and also wash it before I proceed. So guys, now we'll add ginger and garlic paste to the meat, just to give that extra flavor. As we know, ginger is delicious, and garlic as well, especially when you season like meat or fish, is essential here. Okay. Guys, the smell here is out of this world. It's smelling amazing. The garlic is definitely coming through and the ginger together. I can't wait to eat this food. I'm going to add the onions here. You can add either red, and I'm going with the white onions, and I'll let it cook and let it caramelize a little bit, and yeah guys, I'll be back.
Very heavy.
So guys, here I'm going to be adding the vegetables in this pack. These carrots, mushrooms, all sorts really, cabbage, name it. I'm just going to rinse and I'll be adding into the pan as well. Now guys, now that I know my meat is delicious and tender and all the vegetables are simming very nicely, I will add the teriyaki sauce and let it sort of cook a little bit so all the flavors marry together. Then I'll be adding my rice noodles. So yes, I went for more of a thinner noodle, so it's rice noodle, and it turns out fantastic. So now we're going towards the end now. I'm adding my noodles here. So the flavors are definitely there. My daughter said it smells like a Chinese takeaway, which is a plus. Yes, carry on watching the video. By the way, do not forget to like, comment and subscribe and share on the road for 1,000 subscribers. I'm nearly there. With your support, I will make it this year. Thank you guys. So guys, yes, the food is done. I'm gonna dish it out for myself and my daughter. It smells absolutely amazing, and the most important, it tastes fantastic. Okay, go try it. You can buy the sauce or you can make the sauce. I'm gonna dish it out. Yes guys, I am very thankful. Thank you very much for all my subscribers, but I would like to grow further, and with your support, if it's your first time watching me, do not forget to like, comment and subscribe and share, like I keep saying. And yeah, I'm gonna eat it, enjoy, and until next time.